Oh, open your gift na. From Ninang Jelly. Wow! Siyempre. Oh! Diaper pa rin ni Bunbun. Oh, akin na yung kalat. Give that the kalat. Oh, what will you say? Thank you po. Oh, go there. Ako na mag-aabot. Go there. Go there. Yes. Oh, this one. Next.
This one.
Yes. Oh, usap. Doon ka. Upo ka doon. Yes. No. Diyan. No, there. Sit ka lang dyan. Si mama magbibigay. Okay. Oh. Yes. Aray ni Bunbun. Oh. Oh, this one. Kanino ba ito? From... Ay! Isa and Yuan.
This is favorite Butchang.
Oo, for baby Butchang. Oh, open mo na. The carrot, Butchang. Oh, open mo na. Let's see what's that. Oh, what will you say?
Thank you.
What? What will you say? Hindi ako. Kay Isa at Yuan yan. Oh, kay Ate Isa at kay Yuan.
No, favorite Butchang.
Oo, that's for baby Bunchang, pero they gave it to you. It's their gift. Oh. Ay, sorry. Oh, yan. Wow. Oh, what's this? Do you know what's this? Huh? What's that? It's what? Oh, it looks like a piano pala. You like it?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, what will you say? Thank you po. Oh.
You said that.
Yes. Oh, dito natin side. Lagay. Get the garbage first. Those.
Put in the garbage.
Yes. O sige, ano na natin? No chair na. Okay. I'll go there. Next. Ako na Doon ka. Upo ka doon. Doon ka. I will give you nga the gift eh. Next.
Next?
Yes, next. This is from... Wala nakalagay. Noning. Thank you po. You will say thank you.
Mommy, I cannot open.
Oh, dito. Wow! Accessories bonbon. Oh, wait. Anak. Oh, what will you say?
Thank you.
Thank you po. What's that? Wow! A lot of ribbons. Wow! You like it? Bakit mo inaano? You like it tapos inano mo? Oh, cute!
It's a teddy.
Ha?
It's a teddy bear.
It's a teddy. Ay, kay kuya pala. Ay, kay tita Bubot. Wow!
That's happy birthday.
Yeah, it says happy birthday. Oh, dito ka nga. Ako nga kukuha.
I want this one.
This first. Oh, this is from Ate Raisa.
I cannot open.
You said you're strong. Oh. Oh, ang cute. Ay, it's a dress. Wow! Oh, pretty ka dito, baby. Uy! Oh. Ang cute.
This one.
Next, dito ka nga. Dito. Last to. This one. Yes.
11.
This one is from, oh, Tita Kat and Tita Ron. Oy, hindi sila naka-open. Oh, bis na. Open it. Oy! Pants red. Ay. Oy, may new pants ka. Yeah, that is the size, anak. Oo. Mahilig ka sticker. Usog ka dun. Oh, next. There's no name. Thank you po. Oh, bilis, open mo. Oh, damit uli yan. Yes, wow.
You found it, Mama.
I found it. Uy, ang cute. Oh. Oy. Dress uli. Oh, next. This one. From, parang si Tita Chato. Yeah, kay Tita. Wow! Wow! Sino yan? Who's that? It's Rapunzel, anak. Oh. The one that has long hair. Oh, ito pa. Ah, uy, may game pa. Oh. You like it? Later na mag-open ng yung laro talaga. Opening gifts pa lang. Ano ba naman yan? Later. Oh, next. It's awesome. Ito, gift to ng workmate ni Mami. Si Tita Mary Ann. Yes. Oh, what will you say? Thank you. Uy! Ang cute! Baby! You like it? Ah, bathtub kayong dalawa. Oh, may ano pa. Tanan! Oh! What will you say? Thank you po. Thank you po.
It's gone.
Yeah, we will put something there. It's really empty, anak. This one. Ka-workmate uli ni Mami. Si Tita Edna. Open it. I will fix it later. Bilis na. This one. Open this one. The what? The soap? It's there at the back. Here, oh. Yeah. We will fix it later. Ito pa. Open. Thank you po. What will you say? Dapat nagte-thank you ka. Diba? If someone gave you gifts or give something to you, you will say thank you. Oh, girl. Ano ba? Renova. Bunbun. Open mo. What's inside? Oh, you have new hat. Wow, pretty yan. Ito pa. Hat. Thank you po. Ay, wow.
It's so nothing.
That one, it's so nothing. Yung damit nga. Ay, ang cute bunbun, maganda to, malaki. Ay! Ilagay nga sa side
Mama, it's open.
Later playtime. Next. Yes. And then from Ninong Allison. What will you say, Ninong Allison?